We're flicking the switch on a brand new show.
I work night shift only.
Right around the Triple M network. It's the Night Shift.
People listen to the AM stuff.
Opinions fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not SBS.
You're actually putting a lot of subjects out there that people don't like to talk about.
The studio phone runs hot.
We have not been hijacked. This is, in fact, Triple M.
The Night Shift with Luke Boner. Tonight from midnight right through till dawn. Around Oz on the Triple M network.
Make May your month to get fit at Jets. Right now, there are 0 reasons not to get started with $0 joining fee. Visit jets.com.au to join today and save $89. T's and C's apply. Offer ends soon.
Hero? I don't know about that. I put my underpants on one leg at a time.
Inside every hero, there are millions more.
What? Why aren't they on the outside? They're undies, mate.
Which means that ordinary guys can do an extraordinary thing for those hoping to be parents.
Yeah, I'm proud to be a sperm donor.
At IVF Australia, we're looking for heroes to become sperm donors and help create the next generation. Visit ivf.com.au now and join the League of Everyday Heroes.
G'day, it's Maroon here. Need a metal front lift bin or a plastic rear lift bin?